Welcome back to Omni Garage. So we've been really lucky that Armour Detail Supply has sent us out a large range of their products, and today we're going to be trying their tyre dressing, Tyre Plus. Typically what we use in our detailing business is we use a bit of a tyre dressing that's got a longevity in it, and we've been using Carpro Darkside, so that's got a longevity of around about 2 to 3 months. We have a customer who gets their car cleaned every 2 months. He doesn't drive that vehicle very much, and last week came in for a clean and that tyre dressing was still on there. So that's really good for customers when they're not cleaning their vehicle as often as one should. So Glenn and I, what we use on our own personal vehicles is we use the Obsessed Garage tyre dressing. Now it's got a longevity that's quite short. It might last a couple of weeks, but that's fine because we're regularly cleaning our vehicles and we're regularly topping up that tyre dressing. So it'll be really interesting to see where this tyre dressing stacks up between those two. We've got one that doesn't last very long and we've got one that lasts quite a long time. My guess is that this will last somewhere in the middle just based on the chemical makeup of this product. So what we need to do is we need to clean these wheels, we need to clean these tyres so that we have a nice clean bare surface for this tyre dressing to be accepted onto. Okay, so you've seen me go through our usual Omni Garage wheel cleaning process. I've cleaned the wheel and I've cleaned the tyre, so this is now ready for me to apply this dressing. What I really like about this product is that it is water-based. The Obsessed Garage is also water-based, and that tends to be a lot easier to apply, and you seem to get quite a lot of mileage when you apply it to your brush to be able to go around the outside of the tyre. When you apply sort of more petroleum-based tyre dressings like the Carpro Darkside, it seems to be quite gluggy, quite hard to move and spread through the tyre, and it can be a little bit more finicky and difficult to use. So I do prefer water-based type tyre dressings, but they don't last as long. This does have a special mixture of polymers and silicons in it, so hopefully we will be able to see a little bit more longevity. Although I haven't put this on a tyre long enough to see how much we will get, but I would think we would get longer than the Obsessed Garage tyre dressing, but not as long as the Darkside. So I'm guessing we'll get a couple of weeks out of this product. We're going to apply it on here. I like to apply it with a brush because it means I can get around the tyre really easily. I can get into the little crevices and around the lettering. You can apply this using a sponge or a curved type applicator. I do have a couple of those, but my preferred method is on a brush. So the first thing you will notice is that it is yellow, and it's yellow because it is banana scented. Now this is actually quite unique for a tyre dressing to be scented. The Obsessed Garage one is blueberry. Carpro, for example, just smells like chemical, and this is kind of like that fake banana lolly smell, which is it's quite pleasant to use, and it's quite unique for a oh no. Looks like a bird just pooed on it. And you can see that because it's water-based, you can see I'm getting quite good mileage of being able to spread it around the tyre here. And then you can see, like in areas like this, you can see that the product needs a little bit more working in, so you can just rub it in with your brush. If this was a brand new tyre, or this was your first application of a tyre dressing, I would put it on relatively thick for the first application, and I would let that sit and soak into the tyre overnight. And that's what I'm going to do with this. Is it looks really glazed, it looks horrible, it looks like something you wouldn't want to send out into the public looking like that, but let it soak in overnight, and I would come along with a dry towel and I would then flatten off the high spots or flatten off the areas that hadn't soaked into the rubber, so that you would be left with a nice matte flat satin finish. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to remove all the excess product now, just so you can see what the finish looks like. I have got this product on another car, and what I did notice that after I'd flattened it off, what tends to happen is that overnight it does tend to, you get this like bleeding that sort of means that it runs into the grooves of the tyre here, especially down the lower areas. It will tend to bleed down there. So that's why you want to come along with your towel a couple of minutes later or a couple of hours afterwards and just flatten that product off so that you get this nice uniform matte finish. So there you are, you've seen me apply the Armour Detail Supply Tyre Plus tyre dressing to these tyres. Because it's water-based, it spreads really easy and it's really nice and pleasant to use as well. The banana scent's fantastic and it's quite unique to have a scent in a tyre dressing. If I can get some pretty decent longevity, you know, around about a month, then this is a product that I'll be choosing over the Obsessed tyre dressing. Once again, thank you to Armour Detail Supply for sending out this product and also their product line. We're slowly working through it. We've used Amplify to dry this vehicle and I'm really enjoying using that. We've just finished making a video on their wheel cleaner and now this one. So that's it from Omni Garage. If you're interested in seeing these products, go back, have a look through our YouTube channel, subscribe so you get notified when more content's coming out. But that's it. Thank you for watching and catch you on the next one.